Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Duolingo and signing in so your data is accessible. This prevents accidental course loss. Once done, tap your profile picture, then the gear icon to open settings. Make sure you note your current language and any active learning streaks or clubs because you may need them later. This step prepares you to change safely. It's quick and prevents surprises. If you're on desktop, click your avatar at the top right and choose Settings to follow the same flow. Now you'll find the language section in Settings and choose Add a new course or Change language, depending on your app version. You pick the language you want, and when asked, confirm your native language so Duolingo matches the correct course. Once selected, decide whether to take the placement test to skip basics or to start from Lesson 1. Placement saves time if you already know some grammar. Make sure you review course details before confirming, because that determines your initial skill placement, and XP. Finish by confirming the change and returning to your home screen to verify the new course appears. This ensures lessons and XP track correctly. If you don't see the course, or you seem to have lost progress, check account settings and linked email for backup or previous course enrollments, and toggle sync by signing out and back in. If UI options are missing, clear cache or reinstall the app, and contact Duolingo Help as a last resort. Include your username and device details for faster support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.